Hello guys, namaskar दोस्तों. Today we are going to discuss about two beautiful and useful plugins in QGIS. So let us start. The first useful plugin is Quick Map Services, which you can use to overlay maps in your QGIS canvas. For downloading the Quick Map Services, just go to the plugins, click on Manage and Install Plugins, search for Quick Map Services and install the plugin. Close it. Go to the web, click on Quick Map Services. Now at my window, lot of maps services are being shown, but in some case if there is less options or you want more options to be added here, you can just go to the settings, click on more services, click on get contributed pack, click on OK and save it. If any some of the map, if any missing, will be visible after this setting. Now you can open any map and overlay with your data. Second useful plugin in QGIS which you can use for downloading the data in QGIS is QuickOSM, which is OpenStreetMap. So for downloading this plugin, go to the plugin, manage and install plugins, search for QuickOSM, install the plugin. After installing this plugin, you will get access to lot of open data available in OpenStreetMap. For accessing the data, go to Vector, QuickOSM, click on QuickOSM. Now you can see this kind of window in which you can search any kind of data which you want by typing here. For example, if you are related to the highway, you can just search for highway and you get lot of options here like highway barriers, highway block, bus trap, cable barrier, and so many. If you are related to the water resource project, you can just search for water and you get so many options like water culvert, dam, drain, reservoir, spring. In this tutorial, we are going to see a river network. So we will search for river. So in this section, when we click on the river, key and value will be automatically selected. So if you just wanna see one by one, you can click here and search. You can see lot of key and values, but specifically if you want something, you can just search here like a Google and you will get the key and value. After giving the key and value, you just go to the in, and here you have to just give the area of extent. For example, you can select a canvas extent, or if you have any shape file or layer open, you can just click on here and you will get an option. But in this tutorial, we will select the canvas extent, and after doing this, you can just run a query by clicking here. So we can see successful query, 3 layers has been loaded. You can close it and you can see on my canvas extent which I have selected, the lot of data has been shown. You just click and unclick to view the data. So we are interested in river, so we will just keep it on the top. You can remove the other layers created. So what canvas extent I have selected, the river network has been extracted. So by doing this, you can just extract so many things from the QuickOSM map